not just the teamwork, but also the dedication and commitment that makes our team and the United States Air Force the most capable, incredible force on the planet.